Okay, we're at a baseball game, and
Angels versus Brewers.
The blue team is playing the red team.
Really?
Buy me some peanuts and Cracker Jacks. Don't care if I ever get back for its root.
Guys,
root
support
for
your
the
friends.
Phillies. If they don't win, it's a shame. For it's 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out at the old ball game.
We love you guys! My arms are so tired!
I was completely expecting people to actually join
I know,
us.
right?
From?
We're walking from the
Spring training game.
How was it?
It was a lot of fun. I'm not sure who won. Do we know who won?
No, it wasn't over yet.
It's not over yet. But we're going to Walmart where we parked because it's free parking at Walmart.
And what's tonight?
Tonight's Shabbat.
Who's excited for Shabbat?
Shabbat.
I love Shabbat!